So today's video I will be showing you how you can burn bay leaves the right way to get rich. If you want to get more money, bay leaves will help you obtain that. Hello guys, welcome again back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a spiritual work, okay? Bay leaves are full of prosperity, very natural. This is not a spell, this is not a magic, and this is not fetish. So if you want to know how to attract money using bay leaves, how to burn it to get rich, to get more favor, keep watching. So guys, this is a spiritual work we are going to do right now using bay leaves. Usual bay leaf you use in your kitchen. You use it in making dishes like steaming meats and all that. This is very natural and supernatural, okay? The spiritual controls physical, and this helps to get rid of negative forces around you, to bring in positivity into your life. So we're going to make use of 3 bay leaves like this. So you have to get 3 bay leaves, okay? You have to get a pen. You will have to get a lighter. You will surely need a bowl, non-plastic bowl. So this is what you need, 3 like this. So these are like 5 items: bay leaf, scissors, lighter, pen, and a bowl. So this is to attract more money, to attract favor, to make people to favor you in different ways. This can bring money, it can bring favor in a way that maybe when you go out, people will just pay your bills. You will just be favored in that way. It can bring your loved ones. It can even make you to get someone that will love you so much. Visualize what you want the money for. If you need the money for school fees, for house rent, to pay your bills or your upkeep. After that, you need to write the amount on the bay leaf. So just write the amounts you want. If you want it for shop rent, or if you want it for house rent, electricity bill, any kind of bill, just write it on the bay leaf. So this is what I've written: bills, favor, abundance. If you anything you want, just write it down. So after writing it, the next thing you have to do, or you can just go ahead and write the amount of money you need. If you need 100,000 naira, 1 million, any amount, just write it on them, okay? If you need it for bills, just write it. For upkeep, anything you want, just write it on them. So after that, so the next thing you have to do is to turn it over like this. You turn the back, write your birthday, your name, and the amount. You start speaking on it, start praying on it. You start calling your name, wishing yourself all the best. Speak positively into those leaves and start asking what you want, that you want to be comfortable in life, that you don't want to lack in any way. You want people to favor you in every way, that anytime anyone sees you, they will just want to favor you. If you want job opportunity, get the bowl. This is the bowl you are going to burn the leaves into it. Then the next thing to do, use a tweezer or a scissors to hold the leaves. You can do it one after the other, okay? As you hold it like this, you light it on using a lighter. So it's lighting right now. Make sure everything burns. You can see it's burning seriously. So as it's burning, you'll be praying over the leaf. I will be successful. People will favor me in everything I do. You'll be praying. Make sure it burns very well. Then pick up the rest of the leaf, the remaining one, and light it also. Alright, so remember to say your prayers when burning this is very important. As you are praying, always call your name as you pray. That you need the best in life, you want to be comfortable, you want to be loved, you want to be favored. You're going out and coming in, let it be blessed, that people will see you and favor you. Burn everything and make sure it turns to ashes like this. Just have it in mind that your requests are all granted. Have faith that everything is going to go on well with you. Some people will start seeing the effect from the first day. Okay, so this is very active, very effective. This is a spiritual work that you don't need to joke with. Very, very important. So after doing so, you have to gather all the ashes together. Gather it together when it has cooled down. So you can just trash it out into the waste bin, or you just blow it into the air. Place it like this on your hands and blow it out. Okay, so after disposing it or blowing it into the air, or you can just pour it just on the soil. This is going to bring good luck, favor, more money into your life. It may not just be money or paying your bills. It can come in different ways. People can just come and decide to pay your rent, pay your medical, or favor you in different ways. You can just get a full life partner using this. You can get a loved one back. You can get a good husband using this. Very simple and very natural. This is real. Just make sure you say your prayers. So just say your prayers as you burn those bay leaves. Make sure they burn properly. As it burns, say your prayers, say your wishes, claim it, and believe it's going to come to pass. This is going to work very well. It has been working for many. Just make sure you believe in it. So you can just decide to trash it out anywhere, or you can just decide to just blow it out into the air. If your request is going to be granted, okay? So that is all for now. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe, share this video to everyone, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. I'm really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나 봐. 난 네 옷을 또